What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the phone keeps crashing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, if you have opened too many apps in the background, then close the apps. So to close the apps running in the background, tap on this recent key, and here you will find all the apps that are running in the background. So you can swipe left or right to close a app, and if you have too many apps opened, then you can tap on this cross icon to close all the apps at once. And after closing the background apps, it will fix the crashing issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version. And from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating your phone to the latest version, the crashing issue in your phone will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Xiaomi POCO phone keeps crashing issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.